Our mission here at BrainDrive is to help you build, control, and benefit from your own AI system. If everyone owns and controls their own AI system, that is going to result in a better world. And if we just continue to use these big tech companies for everything, we're going to continue down a path exponentially faster than we've seen with things like social media and basically losing control of our digital data and knowledge. We set things up in a way that we're hoping to really help power the user-owned AI movement. So we have an AI system that you can own and control, a chat GPT-like system. We call that BrainDrive Core. And then also from a technical architecture, Dave set this up in a way where you're empowered to make changes and build on top of this system. We don't prevent you from doing that. We empower you to do that. And then we're building BrainDrive Marketplace. So you're going to be able to build businesses on top of this and add value in a sort of free market way that's not built on top of a big tech captured playing field. And then the fourth piece of this is BrainDrive Community, because we want this to be a user-owned AI movement, which means it's driven by the community. We're making money by building bridges. So we're going to have optional services that are completely optional, some stuff like managed hosting that you can move away from very easily without lock-ins that help provide ease of use, et cetera, but does so in a way that is adding value to the ecosystem instead of extracting it like big tech does. We're early in this process. This is just meant to show the foundation of what we hope will become a major participant in the user-owned AI movement.
So we are going to start with the AI chat. This will be the first interface that people see as they get introduced to BrainDrive itself.
And this is running 100% completely on your computer. And you can chat with not only open source models, but also access using APIs, or you will be able to in the future, any of the models that are available via API.
Every tool here being used to develop the chat interface is the same tools that every developer, builder, entrepreneur, or even owner, if they wish to get into it, has access to. So to walk into that concept, we will go into BrainDrive Studio, and you'll see very similar, the same page that we were just on as a page is now in the actual studio, where you can come in and tweak and play with it, change it completely to your style and desires. It just doesn't matter. Whatever you envision, you can make happen.
The different types of interfaces that you're going to want to have, you can set them all up and they can show on the left-hand side there under your pages, and you don't have to reset up the whole interface every time you want to switch between use cases. And this is going to open up, a lot of really powerful customization possibilities, not only for your system, but also within the user-owned AI space, because you're going to be able to eventually share these pages with other people and mix and match, et cetera, correct?
Yep, and we'll take a step into that. We have a plugin manager. This is where you would come in. You can select which modules you have installed. You would be able to select which ones you want enabled or disabled, and you'll be able to install.
This is inspired by WordPress. 40% of the internet runs on WordPress, and we believe that same sort of concept can really work here in the AI space to drive the user-owned AI movement like WordPress is democratizing publishing. Once we really solidify this foundation over the next few weeks, the sky's the limit in terms of how this thing will grow and what we're going to be able to do with it, what you're going to be able to do with it, and what we hope the whole user-owned AI community will be able to do with it.